අද හදන්නේ අපේ බෝංචි අස්සන්න පෙන්නන්න. මේ තියෙන්නේ මං ගිය සතියේ කලින් කිව්වා බෝංචි හැදීගෙන එනවා කියලා. ඔන්න දැන් අපේ බෝංචි හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ. අද බෝංචි අස්සන්න කඩන්න තමයි මේ ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ.
Another beautiful day in my life. This morning, the sun has risen gently over my little organic garden, casting a golden glow on every leaf, flower, and vine. The air felt fresh and crisp, carrying the earthy scent of soil that has been nurtured with care. Today is our green bean picking day. I think you also can see these green beans plants looks very healthy. You know what I feel? They look so proud and they're dancing with the cold breeze and whispering me that they are ready to come to my basket. A few moments later, this little one came to help me. Having full of curiosity and joy, little Akin reached for the beans and picked them very carefully. His dad was helping him because he couldn't reach the tall beans tree. Soon the basket began to fill. We had collected more than enough beans for our meal. Then, of course, we decided to share with our friends.
You gonna try it? Good job. Okay.
The basket was so heavy for little Akin, but he is still trying to carry the basket. I think we had about 5 or 6 kilograms of beans.
Oh, it's so heavy. Right? Huh? How many kilos are there? How many kilograms? ඔයාට ඕනේද? ඔයා බෑග් එකක් ඉල්ලගෙන අයියාගේ මම ඔයාට දෙන්නම්. Go, go. No, bring a plastic bag. I can give you a plastic bag එකක් අරන් එන්න. Some had beginning. Hello.
From garden to the kitchen, the work of transformation began. I made a delicious beans curry. When the curry was ready, its vibrant green color and rich aroma was so tempting to eat. I think you all know how to cook beans curry. If you want the recipe, you can check in my description box. As we sat down to eat, I felt overwhelming sense of fulfillment. From the soil to the table, this meal carried a story of patience, care, togetherness, and gratitude. The garden had given us not just food, but memories, lessons, and joy. If you enjoy the video, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day.